Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how I prepare my canvas sheet for painting. So for this you're going to need a canvas sheet. I have a 11 by 14 inch Derwent brand canvas sheet. So it's a pack of 10. This is how it looks inside. Then you're going to need I have Liquidex gesso. It's a liquid white gesso, a 2-inch brush, then gloves. It's important, I like to use it. Then I'm using, this is a board on which I tape the canvas sheet, and then it makes so easy to paint. If the sheet is stuck on something, it doesn't buckle. So, and then this is a double-sided tape, and you're going to need scissors to cut out. Make sure if you're using a double-sided tape, the scissors are good quality so that it's easier to cut. And then something to take out the gesso. So let's get started. As you can see now, I have taped the canvas sheet on board. Now I'll take out some gesso. I'm almost running out of it because I have been priming my canvas sheet a lot. And to be honest, this much is more than enough for me. I'm just going to gesso one of the canvas sheet. And all you need to do is take the brush, dip it in gesso, and first what I do is I go in horizontal direction. Spraying water on it, it just helps the gesso to glide evenly on the sheet. Now the horizontal is done, I'll move to vertical direction. And we are almost done. So nice surface is created for painting. And that's it. Now I'm going to leave this to dry for at least 1 to 2 days. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed it, and leave any comment below if you have any questions or concern. Thank you.